Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a crucial skill for any crypto enthusiast: transferring your assets from Coinbase to a cold wallet in 2025. With hackers getting smarter every day, moving your crypto to a secure, offline cold wallet is one of the best ways to protect your investments. If you're new to this, don't sweat it, I'll guide you through each step clearly and quickly. First things first, what's a cold wallet? It's a hardware device, like a ledger or Trezor, that keeps your crypto offline and away from online threats. Before we start, make sure you have your cold wallet set up, initialized, and ready to go. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account using your secure credentials. Don't forget two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 2. Look for the Send or Withdraw button next to your chosen asset. This is your gateway to moving funds. Step 3. Now, switch to your cold wallet. Use its interface to generate a new receive address for the specific crypto you're transferring. Double-check that it's for the right network to avoid any issues. Step 4. Carefully copy that address. I can't stress this enough. Mistakes here could mean lost funds forever. Step 5. Back in Coinbase, paste the address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details, including any network fees. Step 6. Hit the confirm button and follow any on-screen prompts for verification. You'll likely get a confirmation email too. Step 7. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain's congestion. Finally, once it's complete, verify the transfer on your cold wallet and check it on a blockchain explorer like Etherscan for peace of mind. There you have it. By following these steps, you're taking a big step toward securing your crypto in 2025. Remember, always prioritize security and never rush these processes. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.